Hello everyone, hope everybody's having a great Tuesday. I wanted to make a short video and show everybody the HiJoJo set of nails I ordered off the TikTok shop. My wifey, Bryn, put the towel together for me and put the lights inside it that came with it and made it look pretty for me, and I want to show everybody. Isn't that beautiful? I hope everybody's having a great day, and could you please check and make sure you're still subscribed. YouTube is unsubscribing me from a lot of channels, so I'm afraid I'm going to lose my subscribers too. And all the new people that are watching, thank you for watching, and welcome to the family if you decide to subscribe. But everybody, have a beautiful day, and God bless everybody.